Hi, I'm Tom Stevenson, and I'm here to introduce you to a series of courses that is being offered through the Construction Institute of Canada and involves the Certificate of Management in Lean Construction offered through the American General Contractors Association. The courses are these 7 courses that you see on the screen, and they will be offered online for the first time through the Construction Institute of Canada, and I will be delivering them. If you're not familiar with lean construction and you're just sort of checking out this video, or if you are, I'll give you a quick heads up so that you'll have a better understanding whether this program is right for you. The construction industry has been a laggard in improvements in productivity over the last 50 years. Depending on what you research, what you look at, you will see a lot of data out there that backs this up. The McKinsey Global Institute produced a very lengthy report about 2 years ago, 3 years ago now, maybe 2.5, and it's available online and you can read all about it. They really dug deep into some of the issues globally that's happening in the construction industry and why is the construction industry not improving in productivity the way other industries like manufacturing have been, which has been improving around 4% per year, and the overall economy, which is around 3%, while construction is less than 1%. And that's a problem. That's a big problem. But you know what? It's also a big opportunity. I always like to think about things as being opportunities as well. When we think about construction, even the economist has confirmed the same kind of laggard standing as far as improvements in productivities. It means there's a lot of waste that goes on in our site. And you know what? This brings dissatisfaction to clients. This brings dissatisfaction to contractors and subcontractors and consultants. No matter where you are in that spectrum, if you're a subcontractor, if you're a general contractor working for a GC, if you're a consultant, or if you're an owner, there's a lot of valuable reasons why you want to learn more about lean construction. Because lean construction really is, taken to the nth degree, a fully encompassing process and system and tools that can be used to make improvements in productivity and build stronger relationships in the construction industry. Number of big contractors and subcontractors and consultants have been working on this and coming together to make improvements in their processes. So lean construction is one of those areas where change is taking place. The American General Contractors Association, working collaboratively with their contractors and working with the Lean Construction Institute in the US, and now we have the Lean Construction Institute in Canada, have been working to promote these practices and to instill this kind of culture and methodology in our business practices, processes, and most importantly, in our people. So I think you'll find that these courses offer a lot in that area, and I'm hoping to see you online. As I mentioned, this is the first time the Construction Institute of Canada is offering this program online, and the first time AGC has been putting it online as well. So it's because of COVID, it's really ramping up change and advancing systems just like in education. So things change fast. Things change rapidly, so let's get on board and let's look at how we can make these improvements. I thought I'd also like to give you a little bit of background about myself. I think it's always helpful that you know a little bit about the teacher that's going to present the material to you. So I grew up in a family-run construction business. I've been doing construction since I was about 10 years old, to be honest. I was on construction sites at a very young age. I learned 2 trades, carpentry and brick and stone masonry. I then got into a position where I ran the family-run business for a number of years, project managing large projects. We had clients that were Kodak. We had clients that was Spar Aerospace at the time, Kmart. You know, by some of these clients, I'm really sort of dating myself, but I'm also telling you how things change. When I did work at Kodak, I never would have dreamed that they would have went bankrupt, and I never would have dreamed that that land would be a brownfield site and now is one of the stations for the new Eglinton Crosstown. So I learned a lot from those process, and I know a lot about waste because I've seen it, I've been involved in it, and I've been trying to continuously learn from it. I became a full-time faculty member at George Brown College. I used to like to say how long I've been there. Let's just say I'm the longest one there in the construction faculty. I was also acting director and acting chair for a couple of years, acted from the facility side for our construction of e-building there, was project manager for that, for technology. I'm also a part-time faculty at University of Toronto. I teach in the Masters of Engineering program. I'm a believer in continuous learning. I did my undergraduate in business and my MBA while employed at George Brown College part-time. I did those degrees. More recently, I did the PMP, Project Management Professional Designation, CM Lean, Certificate of Management in Lean Construction, which is this program. And I think that it's going to be really a great opportunity for us to get together and make sure that we, as fellow constructors, spread the good word. I've also had the opportunity of running a consulting business for the last 20 years, and I've worked with some of the biggest and best contractors, GCs in Canada, and with project managers and site supers that have managed billion-dollar projects, multi-billion-dollar projects. So I'm hoping that working with you, we'll have a great experience together, and everybody learns from everybody, just as I've had that opportunity working with the different experts in the field. So please decide whether this program fits you, which courses will fit in. If you're wanting to take the whole series of courses, which makes a lot of sense, and then go for the Certificate of Management through the American General Contractors Association, which involves sitting a test and studying the materials and making sure that your background fits the credential through the American General Contractors Association. I hope you do, and we'll see you there. Have a wonderful day. Tom Stevenson saying goodbye for now.